Bekede is still on the matter on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy, your comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Bekede, if you watch me live, settle down, no rush. I did for Warri like this, and Warri, you know how they be now. I don't go Abuja, Port Harcourt, and all that, but let's make an enter Warri. That's how they be. Still on the street channel Wazobia TV. Simple question. The question I want to ask today is a very simple question. I want to ask you, say, my brother, what you like about Warri? What make you stay Warri? What you like about Warri? Bekede, still on the matter. Oh, shit, feel like, why I say? And if they ask where I did for Warri, Shebina, where be this? Where be this? Na Deco Road be this, abi? I did for Deco Road. Shebina Deco Road, abi? Not be Deco Road. No, yeah. Most people they form deaf and dumb here now. They reform like say they don't want to talk. But very soon they'll start to the talk. But by the time they know the interest, now they shifting, they fear face.
Guy, carry this.
Come on, everything they got five face, your face, yeah. All right, so no matter on Wazobia. Oh, shit, feel like, break it there. How far are you there now? Now Wazobia TV be this now. Warri dey form my hand. I don't use that thing make my tire. I don't they make my tire, but they form my hand. But don't form my guy. How far? What to make you there for? What to make you like Warri?
They brought me for Warri. And normally I be normal Warri, but the same of Warri, I just like him. The time I did the town.
That made you did the town. You don't see why you did the town.
Why? Born and brought up now.
Born and brought up.
Why?
You know come over this time.
Why I come out now? I be told and I be back basan the job boy now.
What your face feel I won't go Libya. That's why they see like this.
No, I don't want to go. South Africa I want to go.
You don't believe me. Bekede, still on the matter on Wazobia Street here. I make I boss in Warri now like this, and I saw I think boss in Warri like this. Bros, how far are you there?
I'm not interested.
You're not interested?
I'm not interested.
Okay, now you don't hear the quarrel. Say not interested. Say I'm quarrel today. Bro, how far now? Wazobia TV. It says still on the matter. Now simple question, cool down, no rush. Simple, cool down. Now for my for Warri again. I don't use my mouth. Now I take make my tire for Lagos. Break it there. How far now? Why you stay? Why you like Warri?
I don't like Warri. Warri boy now. Actually, I know.
Warri boy.
Yes, now.
Now you're the boy.
I was born and brought up here.
Which tribe?
From Benin. Yes.
Now, but now you're the boy.
Yes.
So what do you mean just like Warri?
Sure. I was born and brought up here. Now the first day I come life now, Warri what I take back me now. So I just like the swag. No, how come out?
Why don't come out? Why don't come out?
She will be the one say Warri get level now.
Warri get level. Warri not get level. Forget that thing. Still on the matter. Oh, say guy, what happen now? You start at gunpoint. What happen? You dey okay?
I do okay.
You dey still Warri too? Have you just come?
I dey still Warri.
This guy know they talk. Like say they give am. Tell am say if you talk, you go outside and wahala. Bros, how far now? You know. Babe, how far? How you dey now? So Wazobia TV be this. Bekede, still on the matter. Oh, say feel like how far you dey?
Fine.
What be your name?
Victory.
Victory, hallelujah. Jesus can call the world and give us victory. How far are you there now?
Fine.
How do your hair for you?
My friend.
Your guy. Your guy sponsor him. No be so?
That's so.
No sponsor him. You will not be person where they work for Chevron, they collect money for Shell. Don't be that kind of thing, have you?
No.
Not be that kind of thing, have you? Alright. Guy. What do that?
Now for call and make you speak English. You go kill everybody with English. Hey God.
Yeah, what you dey do for Plaza?
I dey pay phone now. What you phone?
What kind of phone?
What kind of?
Talk well, I dey do advert for you. See this guy.
How far now? What kind of phone I dey do? Yes, how much advert? Any kind of phone advert? How much you dey have am pay?
See this guy.
Call give my ATM. Una dey use POS. How far? Which kind?
Which kind of phone you dey do? Which kind? What you dey do?
Any kind of phone, but which kind of advert una dey do?
This guy.
Babe,
Why you like Warri?
Where I like Warri.
Why you like Warri?
I like Warri because that's city.
Na city. Warri na city. Warri na city.
Oye city.
Which kind of Oye city? Now you na groundnut hair they produce here. So you know, so you just like Warri like that.
I was born and brought up
You
here.
was born and brought up here. Now pidgin English, oh, I don't want. I need that pidgin, not be say.
Okay. Now I hear the bomb.
I hear the boy you train you. Your mama, your papa. You share that kind of thing now. What you gonna do for you then?
I don't work for you.
You dey sell food. Are you dey sell? They employ you. They pay you. Hope that they pay you well.
Yes.
They pay you only cash. You know, pass like 15K. Now wicked before they employ person. Come pay you link cash. They're going to warn me here. You know, like, forget that if you buy wash out, if you buy wash out, don't go sit down, can I worry you? Over that, Lala, you got to wash out, don't let her deceive you. Ah, brother. All right, look at that. So the matter. Okay, have fun now. Worry, bless you. Worry not better for your body.
Bless you.
Worry not better. Come on for you now, because that's why they stay worry not so they live like this.
My normal station.
My normal station. You sure? I've been a thinking the thing.
My station.
You sure?
My station.
Why you like worry?
I like worrying now based on everything they go well for you now.
Based on everything they go well, Abi. You sure?
Very well.
You sure?
Very well, bro.
Quick it there, say quick it there.
Quick it there.
Quick it there.
Quick it there.
Why I say solo the matter on Wazobia? Why I say? Oh, shit, feel it. If you see the Watch Me Life, I still for Plaza. They don't play the top Plaza for Deco Road for inside Warri. So if you ask anybody there, they will tell you, say yes. Now Plaza and every this. Madam, good afternoon. How far? Wazobia. How far are you there now? Madam, you not tell me say, that and don't consider now you repair this thing. Madam, how far? How market now you there now?
Fine, not consider. I'm sorry,
Children will laugh you.
I don't want to look at the camera.
See that man?
Don't laugh me now. What should I call this for? Warri?
You dey wash Wazobia, Abi?
Why are they wash out?
You dey wash her well. Wow, that's good. Where my gift to them? I'm going to do something now.
No, give me. Go find your gift.
How
Your gift
far
not lost.
are you there now?
I did.
What do you like Warri?
Warri.
Why you like Warri?
I like Warri well. Nothing. I just love Warri.
Just like Warri. So with all the things that they go, you know, like you still like Warri.
Yes.
Stress not there, Abi.
You know the.
Stress not there. But stress is for live well.
Yes, I know one.
Gather, sit down.
Yes, so you
can
like
it.
it.
Share for you now, you know. That kind of thing, Abi.
Yes.
You don't marry. Now you marry for your children.
Now yeah, my boy.
How many you don't born?
50.
50! Jesus! Jesus! So like the matter, okay? You sure they do like say they press for, you know they press for. How fun are you then?
I be press phone.
You dey okay? You sure say you dey okay? You sure? You don't chop?
Very sure.
You sure say you don't chop? I won't buy you food though.
Thank you.
I won't buy you food. Yeah, it's true. The man they do like say, no, they look for Sashika or pocket, because he's gonna look the money. Bad guys, so the matter on Wazobia. Madam, have fun now.
No fun. Thank God.
What you dey do for you?
I can't repair my phone.
What you do your phone?
My phone square.
Your phone wetin?
It's
Your
square.
spoil abi? Wetin spoil am?
I don't know what this fella.
Pikin put am for time. Abi, don dey lie for your pikin head. Gbẹ̀gẹ̀ dá sílẹ̀ ní matter Wazobia #1 finest commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria Warri na im be this. Oh ṣe filẹ̀, I never feel the Warri slangs at all. Oga Alpha, how you dey?
I did fine.
Na Wazobia TV be this, so not for my hand o. They dey watch you like na pidgin English, not speak English. Our English no dey correct.
Wazobia.
Alpha, how you dey?
I did fine.
Wetin make you like Warri?
Warri now, I've been in Warri for 22 years.
22 years?
Yes.
But you don't stay somewhere before you enter Warri?
I've been in Lagos. I've been in different places.
Which side you go for Lagos for?
I live at Sulere.
For Sulere?
Yes.
Na there I dey stay now. For Sulere. Which side for Sulere?
Alakpafuja.
Oh,
Alakpafuja.
well, Ghana, you had that place join for Sulere. I don't know that place. And you had that address join?
Close to Shita now.
Okay, close to Shita.
Yeah.
Hey! This man Agbero. Every Agbero. When I say Agbero, confirm ones there. You know, enter Shita. I'm going to see area boys there. Make it out. The matter on Wazobia TV. My name remains MC Shaggy, Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I see they go on, but the TV say yes, sir. How far? No. See the guys that want to interview guy. How far? Correct guys. How far? How far? Come, no go. I don't say that busy. How far? They will show you now, free of charge now. How far? How much you dey cancel? Only 16 and 17 a day. How the country? Which guy?
This guy.
They born money earlier.
All the shit that they hold on.
Why say wetin? I want you to buy some. The guy dey fear. How far are you there now? Why you like Warri?
Woo! Money they worry now.
Money dey worry.
Money day worry. Especially for the phone businesses now. Money day.
You be Igbo boy?
No, I be Igbo.
Igbo boy. Igbo boy. You also for ground.
Yes.
You know, I know so normally there's some kind of places when you enter, the town people no agree also. So they collect for the people and call also for the ground. And not be like that. Una the hustle where confirm. How far now? How you dey? Why you like Warri?
Very good though.
Yeah.
Good, well.
Why you like her?
I like very, very beautiful. I just feel like
your English not correct.
Abi,
Yourself.
I like Warri well. I me dey worry.
So what you just like or you just like Warri like that?
I don't like her to say worry. Very cool, calm.
You understand? But I know say you want to come here today. You want to show yourself. You be like say you artist. Come, be artist.
No. Na artist abi o. Na Erika boy.
Erika boy.
Which Erika boy?
Erika. Okay, Erika.
Erika boy there.
Where Erika boy?
Na love this one. Talk to you.
How far? How long you dey worry?
How long has that dey worry? I dey worry for good 15 years now.
15 years now.
Yes.
15 years now, don't dey worry. I'm saying not dey stay worry for you.
No.
Where you dey stay before?
I stay Lagos.
Lagos. You side for Lagos?
For Lekki.
Lekki. The guy don't lie. The guy dey stay Lekki. My guy, let me close the show. Close the show now. Tell us when they watch Wazobia. Wazobia TV. Wazobia. Tell us when they show you. Say when they watch Wazobia TV. Street yarn. Oh yeah.
No, but Warri Wazobia where?
Look now they watch Wazobia.
How they swing the thing like say you hold on. Oh yeah. Talk am now.
Look now they watch Wazobia.
But they watch am for us.
I dey watch am for us now.
Well. They watch am for us well.
They watch Wazobia.
They watch am for us well.
You like Warri, put down. You're not too the hot.
So we love the
watch. Now you happy that?
It be like woman own.
No. I said a bricklayer. All right, so no matter on Wazobia TV, my name remains MC Shaggy, your comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Still on the street here, Wazobia, MC Shaggy. Break it there. Why I say? Now so I take rapper off for this segment. I dey go for another segment now. Break it. Oh shit, feel it. Pra!